So it's day 2. We got the Cybertruck completely wrapped in less than a day, really in like 3 hours. So we're doing a couple things. First off is we are going to be applying matte PPF. It says matte, but it really matches the sand well, and you can't really tell the difference. So that's what we're going to be doing for the front panel right here, and then also the hood. And then afterwards, we're going to go back to the front windows, and we're going to tint it to match the back. I believe it's going to be like 15 or 20. I have to check. So let's get right into this. So comparatively to what you've been watching me do, this is actually a wet install, right? So vinyl is going to always be, not always, but most of the time is going to be a dry install. So when you watch us do it, we pretty much just peel and then, you know, apply with a microfiber felt squeegee, right? So this is slightly different. And in some of our videos, we talked about the colored PPF, and definitely makes sense for some people, right? But this also works. So what I'm just doing is I'm just lubricating the underneath, but also the top. There you go. So I'm not trying to align perfectly right now. I'm just trying to get it off. Just like that. That's the whole goal. And actually, this alignment is pretty dang good. Wow. I'm impressed. All right, so once you get that down, that's a problem. Don't drop your squeegee. But if you do, make sure you really wash it. Is I'm just going to be anchoring it. And this isn't necessarily a how-to video. We already have a how-to video, but I might as well try to explain. All right, so I'm just gonna move it around. So I got the front panel PPF done, and as you can see, the top is actually not PPF just yet, and this is already. And you can see that there really isn't a difference. So if you were gonna do it again, get the matte instead of the gloss, and then if you do actually put gloss PPF, it will change the whole sheen of the vinyl. So just keep that in mind. So let's go right into it. Okay, so one other thing is that all of these things right here that I'm actually have been installing are all available in our store as a do-yourself kit, which is really cool. And you can do it yourself as well. And one thing that I'm doing right now is this is kind of like my final cleaning. I already wiped it down with some alcohol and some prep solution. And this just allows me to get rid of all the dust. And then what I like to do is I like to spray around the area to settle the dust as well, right? Just going to start on this side. Okay, so what I like to do is I like doing a reverse roll method. And then once I get it down, I just pull it. Wow, that was pretty clean. And right away, I can start hydrating the areas that weren't. There's a couple areas that's already sticking. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it sticks a lot to the vinyl more aggressively. Okay. Oh yeah, that's dry. That's real dry. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this side, just because I'm right here. Just gonna go ahead and align this. Okay, that looks pretty good, right? Okay, I'm just pre-tacking. What I like about this too, the way I'm doing it, is I'm bringing actually the soap down. So it's kind of like hydrating the areas that don't have soap while I move the solution down. So that's actually really good. I already have all my lines lined up. We're almost done with the Cybertruck and we got it wrapped, we got it PPF'd in the front, and we have the last thing that I think makes it look just perfect. So, and we're just going to line it up. And we're actually, this is a frameless window, so we can line it up kind of how it will fit.